I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select Discord. Please provide an access token. You can obtain it by visiting the Discord console. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Click on the checkbox and create. Navigate to the OAuth 2 URL generator. Under the scopes, choose Bot. Give here bot permission. Copy the generated URL and paste it into a new tab to browse. Choose Server. Continue. Authorize. Then go to your server. Now go to your Discord developer site and navigate to the bot. Reset token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose Server. Choose Channel. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. To proceed, please visit your Discord website and navigate to the server. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Discord. Thanks for watching.